Hello, today I'm going to show you how to install Pycharm. And remember, this is for a brand new version of Windows or one that has no history of Python or Pycharm. So if you run into issues, that could be the reason why you may have an issue running this program. So first of all, open up your browser and just search for Pycharm. And from there, look for the JetBrains website and go to download. There are two versions, community or professional. Professional is more complex, has more features, and costs money. If you are a student, you could get it for free, which is nice. Download the community or free edition, and it'll be 300 megabytes. Okay. Once you have it downloaded, just click it to run it, and it'll begin the install. Hit yes to the administrative permissions, click next, and make sure to not hit next all the way. Change a few things in the installation options. First of all, I recommend having open folder as a project so that you can open zip files of Python code sources. Also, make an association to Python files. Install JetBrains. Okay, now I will resume once this is finished. Once it is finished, you could either hit run after the finish or just hit finish and then run it yourself. There will be an install for Python that you're prompted to accept the user agreement. So something to remember, and I do not send statistics. Something to remember, Python is separate from the IDE. The IDE uses an automated command line programming structure to do it. Hit new project. So all of this is actually command line, except it's done automatically by Pycharm, the program, right, the software. So I recommend virtual environment, and pip, if you're familiar with that, will be installed with it. 3.8 is good. There are other ones as well. And then hit create. Here it's going to ask you for administrative permissions. So open that up, hit yes. You can close your tip of the day, that does not matter. And it will install. I will resume once it's finished. Okay, if you had issues doing that, there may be some historical problems with Python or Pycharm, either one, and you'll have to debug that with Google or some other way. But here we go, this is hello world, so let's just type that, print hello peoples, and you can right click main and run it. There you go. In addition, just a quick note for you, pip is on here. If you go to the Python interpreter under project, you'll see that pip is installed, and you can hit this plus here to install any library that's on the repository, the pip repository. Okay, well, have a good day. Hope you learned something.